In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out an image and remove or delete the background using Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to make your presentations more visually appealing, or you just want to experiment with image editing directly in PowerPoint, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to your presentation file. Ensure that the slide which contains the image you wish to edit is selected and visible. If you haven't already added your image to the presentation, you'll want to insert it by going to the Insert tab, then selecting Pictures and finally locating the image on your device. Once your image is on the slide, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the image itself. By selecting the image, you'll see that a new set of options becomes available in the top menu bar. You should now notice the Picture Format tab appearing at the top. This tab hosts all the tools you'll need to modify your image. After clicking on the Picture Format tab, direct your attention to the leftmost area and find the option labeled Remove Background. This is a powerful feature that allows you to isolate your chosen image by removing its background directly within PowerPoint. Select Remove Background to see your image change. A new interface will appear on your screen. At this point, you might notice that parts of your image are highlighted with a purple overlay. This purple area is crucial. It indicates which parts of the image PowerPoint has identified to remove, so make sure that the areas you want to keep are highlighted in white. It's worth taking a moment to adjust the selection if necessary by using the tools available. Adjustments might be needed if PowerPoint has not precisely selected the components you wish to retain or remove. Once you're happy with the adjustments and the preview looks right, you'll want to confirm your choice. Look for and click on the Keep Changes button. By doing this, PowerPoint applies your modifications and you're left with an image that has a clean edited outline and no unwanted background. Congratulations, you've effectively cut out an image and removed its background using Microsoft PowerPoint. This technique can add a very sleek and professional touch to your presentations. Feel free to experiment with this feature as you create more content. Remember, PowerPoint offers a wide range of tools that can elevate simple visuals into something spectacular. I hope you found this video helpful and feel more confident navigating and using PowerPoint's image editing features. Happy presenting!